Guided meditation for mental health in the workplace, reducing stress, boosting focus. Find a comfortable position, either sitting at your desk or in a quiet space. Close your eyes, or softly focus on a spot in front of you. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. With each inhale, feel your body filling with calm energy. With each exhale, release any tension or stress you're holding on to. Repeat this for a few breaths, allowing your body and mind to relax. Gently bring your attention to your body. Starting at the top of your head, slowly scan down. Notice any areas of tension, whether it's in your forehead, neck, shoulders, or back. As you breathe in, imagine sending warm, calming energy to those areas. As you exhale, allow the tension to melt away. Continue scanning down to your legs and feet, releasing tension with every exhale. Now, bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel your feet touching the ground, your body supported by the chair. Mentally repeat, "I am grounded, I am present." Let go of any thoughts about work tasks, meetings, or deadlines. Right now, focus on this moment of peace. Imagine a warm, peaceful light surrounding you. This light represents your inner calm and mental strength. Visualize it growing brighter with every breath, creating a protective bubble around you that shields you from stress and negativity. Hold on to this feeling of calm and clarity. As you continue to breathe deeply, mentally repeat the following affirmations: I am capable and strong. I manage my work with calm and focus. I prioritize my mental health, and that helps me succeed. Slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch if needed. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and ready to continue your day with a sense of calm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.